Buddies, welcome to Guardian Gears. Today we are going to be talking about our Wolverine tank pouch. This is a universal tank pouch which can be used on any motorcycle. This pouch comes with a strap in the front and two straps at the back. This is how you install it. This strap, you would have to put it from under the front handlebar and put it into this buckle. These two straps at the back, you can either put them under the seat or onto the foot pegs or onto the frame. We also have the magnetic version known as the Wolverine magnetic tank pouch. You can use this onto any motorcycle with a metal tank. This also has a front strap which you can use it to put it under the handlebar or loop it onto the handlebar for extra safety. And when you take this pouch off the tank, you can put it onto your shoulder like this. So this is how you install our tank pouch. Very easy and simple installation. Thanks for watching, buddies. You can buy our tank pouch on our website guardiangears.in or amazon.com or any of your nearest dealers across the country. Bye-bye.